if Mr. Mulvaney is watching, we can teach you this recipe.
What
and
is?
it's salt and pepper chicken.
What do you say to Mr. Mulvaney?
Thank you for watching my video, Mr. Mulvaney.
He sounds like a character out of one of your storybooks, doesn't he? Maybe out of Peter Rabbit. What do you think? Do
How's the chicken?
you want to do a review on it?
Yeah.
What's it like? How many marks out of 10, mate? Is it nice?
You like it, George?
Is it nice, George? Is it nice? Is it nice? Yes? Oh, what have you done to the bowl, mate? Skinned? Bless you. Oh, bless you.
The review is 10 out of 10 because I'll do it.
Is it nice? 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Congratulations, Mum, for getting 10 out of 10.
Well done.
Catch you later. Put some chicken in the food.